Plantain. Plantain. And it's getting dark. Ay, ay, ay. Almost ready. This is the ingredient. Cabbage, potato, sweet potato, plantain, onion, any kind of onion, black pepper whole, and salt. With this sweet potato and potato. Soup is ready.